Hello, kids. Today we are going to be learning about the amazing alphabet called B. Now, what is the sound of the alphabet B? B. B. Can we say it one more time? B. That is the sound of the alphabet B. Keep practicing and you will get it. Now, let's move on. Let's discover words that start with the letter B. I'll see you later.
Let's see words that starts with the letter B. B for banana. Say it with me. B is for banana. B for butterfly. Say it with me. B is for butterfly. B for basketball. Say it with me. B is for basketball. B for bear. Say it with me. B is for bear. B for burger. Say it with me. B is for burger. B for bus. Say it with me. B is for bus. B for baby. Say it with me. B is for baby. It's time to learn how to write letter B. Get your pen and paper ready.
Hello, kids. It's time for us to practice the uppercase B. Let's go. Long line down, roundabout, roundabout, letter B. Long line down, roundabout, roundabout, letter B. Good job, guys. Long line down, roundabout, roundabout, letter B. That is amazing. Long line down, roundabout, roundabout, letter B. Come on now. Long line down, roundabout, roundabout, letter B. Long line down, roundabout, roundabout, letter B. Amazing. Long line down, roundabout, roundabout, letter B. You're doing well. Long line down, roundabout, roundabout, letter B. Okay, this is the last one. We're gonna take it slowly, and I believe you can do it well. Let's go. Long line down, roundabout, roundabout, letter B.
Good job, kids! Next, it's time to match the following.
Hello, kids. It's time for us to do another game. It's called Match the Following. And this is for uppercase B. These are pictures and words that start with the letter B. Now, let's go. The first one there is B for
butterfly.
Let's trace it. Dun, 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 dun. Good job. The second one there is B for
Bear.
Let's trace it. Good job. The third one there is B for
Basketball.
Good job. Let's look for the basketball. Yeah. Now the fourth one there is B for
Burger.
Yummy burger. I like burger. I don't know about you. But let's go to the last one there. B for
Banana.
banana. Yummy, yummy banana. Good job, kids. Beautifully done. Make sure you're practicing. Take note of the names and the picture.
You are
Bye.
amazing! Now, it's time to learn the how to write the lowercase b.
Hello, kids. It's time to trace the lowercase b. Make sure you ask mommy for a white plain paper and a pen. Come on, I'm waiting for you. Go get it. Good job, kids. Now, let's start. Long line down, round about, letter B. Long line down, round about, letter B. Long line down, round about, letter B. Come on. Long line down, round about, letter B. 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 Are you getting it, kids? Make sure you're following us. That will make you to write better. Long line down, round about, letter B. Long line down, round about, letter B. Long line down, round about, letter B. Good job, good job, good job, kids.
Good job, kids! Lastly, it's time to identify the letter B.
Hello, kids. Now we're going to play a little game again. Now that you know the letter B, let's see if you'll be able to pick out letter B from other alphabets. Now, this game is called Circle the Letter B. Let's go. Come on, Israel. Let's see what you can do. That's a B right there. Can you see another B? Yes, that's another B. Can you see another one? Yes, that's another B. Can you see another? Good job. You have good eyes, and I think you really know the letter B. Now, do you see more B's? Oh, good job. Do you see more? Good job. Intelligence, kids. Do you see more B? Good job. Do you see more B? Good job. Do you see more B? Amazing. Now, I can see just one last one. Let's see if you can know where that B is. Can you circle the B? Good job!
Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Keep practicing by playing this video over and over again. Now, let's spell the name of this channel together. B-O-B-O-B-E-R-R-Y. Say it with me. Boboberry! See you next time. Stay happy. Bye bye.